Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that is crucial for anyone looking to achieve their goals: staying motivated every day. We all have moments when our motivation wanes, but the key to success is learning how to maintain it consistently. In this video, I'll share practical tips and powerful strategies to help you stay motivated and driven, no matter what you're working towards. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the importance of setting effective goals. Goals give you a clear direction and purpose. Without them, it's easy to lose focus and motivation. Start by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less overwhelming and easier to achieve. For example, if your goal is to write a book, start by setting a daily word count target. Next, let's create a motivating environment. Your surroundings have a significant impact on your motivation levels. Keep your workspace organized and free of distractions. Add elements that inspire you, like motivational quotes, vision boards, or even a playlist of your favorite music. Another key to staying motivated is to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Each step you take towards your goal is progress, and recognizing that progress can boost your motivation. Treat yourself to something you enjoy or take a moment to reflect on how far you've come. Another key to staying motivated is to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Each step you take towards your goal is progress, and recognizing that progress can boost your motivation. Treat yourself to something you enjoy or take a moment to reflect on how far you've come. This method helps you stay focused and makes tasks seem less daunting. Another tip is to tackle the most challenging tasks first thing in the morning when your energy levels are highest. Now, let's address one of the biggest motivation killers: procrastination. We all procrastinate from time to time, but it's important to recognize when it's happening and take steps to overcome it. One effective technique is the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. This method helps you stay focused and makes tasks seem less daunting. Another tip is to tackle the most challenging tasks first thing in the morning when your energy levels are highest. Mindfulness and self-care play a significant role in maintaining motivation. Ensure you're taking care of your physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep can greatly impact your motivation levels. Finally, remember to stay flexible and be kind to yourself. It's natural to experience setbacks and challenges along the way. Don't be too hard on yourself if things don't go as planned. Adjust your goals and strategies as needed, and keep moving forward. In summary, staying motivated every day involves setting effective goals, creating a motivating environment, overcoming procrastination, celebrating achievements, surrounding yourself with positive influences, and taking care of your well-being. By incorporating these tips and tricks into your daily routine, you'll find it easier to stay motivated and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. Leave a comment. Leave a comment below with your favorite motivation tip or any challenges you're facing, and I'll be sure to respond. Stay motivated and keep striving towards your dreams. See you next time.